8 Gardening mistakes for growing garlic. Neglecting proper soil preparation. Proper soil preparation with aged compost and sand or perlite is crucial for healthy garlic growth, promoting robust bulbs and supporting beneficial microbes and earthworms. Planting supermarket garlic bulbs. Supermarket garlic bulbs are treated to prevent sprouting and may not suit local climates. Use certified seed garlic from reputable sources for better growth and disease resistance. Ignoring soil pH and nutrient balance. Garlic thrives in slightly acidic to neutral soil, ensuring optimal growth and healthy bulb development. Adjust pH with lime or sulfur and ensure balanced fertility. Avoid excess nitrogen to promote bulb growth using compost and low-nitrogen fertilizer. Failing to space cloves adequately. Planting garlic cloves 4 to 6 inches apart and rows 12 to 18 inches apart optimizes bulb size, reduces disease risk, and benefits useful insects. Skipping mulch or applying it too late. Applying mulch immediately after planting garlic insulates against cold, conserves moisture, and prevents weeds. It also supports beneficial predators, creating a balanced mini ecosystem. Overwatering or underwatering. Proper garlic watering involves deep, infrequent watering to prevent rot and drought stress. Reduce watering as summer peaks to allow natural foliage browning before harvest. Planting at the wrong time. Plant garlic mid to late fall, 4 to 6 weeks before the ground freezes, to ensure roots establish without sprouting, preventing freezing and rotting. Neglecting crop rotation. Rotating garlic beds every 3 to 4 years prevents soil-borne diseases and balances nutrients. Interplanting with legumes or brassicas breaks pest cycles.